Hey guys, Dave here, and we have two jobs we're going to go look at this morning. We have the Cape Cod that the roof is coming off. We're going to start the framing, and we also have that brick ranch that the demolition's been going on the basement and the first floor. So let's go over there. We're going to take a look. There's a lot of action today, so stay tuned. Hey guys, Dave here, and we are just about to start removing the roof on this attic level, this Cape Cod attic level. We're prepping right now. We have the plywood that, remember, the first floor is existing and remaining. We're not going to be doing much to the first floor except for some structural headers, and aside from that, all the windows, all the doors are going to remain. So right now what we're doing is we're setting up plywood and we're installing it over the existing windows, and when we're done with the attic level, we'll pull the plywood off. And when we do the siding and the advanced siding and roofing package, we're going to recover the windows with new aluminum and aluminum wrap, and then we're going to install the new siding package on the house. So in all, we're going to start this right in about maybe 15 minutes. We're going to start cutting the roof off. We're just bringing some 3/4 plywood upstairs for the decking to stand on in the old attic, and we're covering up the windows. So let me show you what we're up to. All right, so the guys are carrying up plywood right now, and we are installing just some protective covering over the first floor windows, as you can see. And we have one window over there in the front that we just covered. Now we're going to cover up this bay window, and we're also carrying plywood up into the attic. And remember, a couple of days ago we stripped out the attic and the floor to expose all the floor beams. So now what we're going to do is we're going to bring that 3/4 underlayment up there to stand on, and it will be up there for when we need to start nailing it down later on this afternoon after the roof is off. So we're going to be starting it shortly, so stay tuned. There's some more windows in the back that we covered up. This way it's just extra precaution. We don't have to worry about any windows getting cracked, damaged. Let's go inside. We'll see the plywood laying out upstairs. Okay, you can see the plywood up here, and we're just laying it out so that we got a surface to stand on. Okay, so you can see we're taking off the plywood. The plywood's coming off nice and easy, and literally in 10 minutes all that sheeting came off. So if it comes off this way, then what we'll do is we'll bang off the sheeting with the shingle on it, and then we'll just cut the rafters individually, be nice and neat, and we'll throw it into the dumpster. It'll be a nice straight pack job in the container. Okay guys, so we just got to the brick ranch remodel, and the guys are in there doing a demo. Let's go inside. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so we started on the right side, and you can see the bedrooms now all stripped down. This is all plastered, all these walls. There's a container right outside here, and we're stripping it down room by room. See the attic right above us. Let's go into the other room. This is the old master bedroom with the bathroom. You can see the walls now. There's wire behind there. It's a lot of work pulling this off. You see how it breaks up into a bazillion pieces, and it's just a room by room process. Okay, so we just got up to the top floor here, and you can see we're about 3.5 hours in. We have the container filled, and it looks as if it may rain. You can see the clouds are getting dark, so what we did is we set up a temporary, this system here that we set up is like almost like a tent frame, and what we'll do is we'll throw our tarp over it in case it rains. So we're gonna just keep this temporarily while the guys are eating lunch. And you can see, I mean, even look down there, the whole grounds, it's all cleaned up, everything's in that container. We are all set for the build. The top floor's been removed, the roof, and we're in a good situation right now. So we just got to watch out for the rain And if it does rain, we have our tarps all set up. We'll throw the tarps over it, and we'll call it a day, and then come back tomorrow and get this build going. But downstairs we also have a flitch plate that we're installing in the ceiling, which is a steel plate that's going to support this span from roughly right over here to over here. Okay guys, so we're actually wrapping up the air level project for the day, and we actually removed the roof, got it all cleaned up, everything's nice and spick and span around the property, and then we installed the flitch plate on the first floor, which is a big job. So let's go inside and we'll take a look. I'll show you what it looks like.